Hello guys, today I will tell you about how to download Instagram Reel in the mobile phone. Firstly, you will open your Instagram account. After that, click on Reels. So Reels is open. You can up down. Now I will download this reel in the mobile phone. Click on three dots. Then click on link. After that you will open Chrome or searching browser. Here you will search save form. Search it. First result is saveform.net. Click on this. Here you will paste Reels copied address. And finally click on download MP4. So here Reels is downloading and downloaded successfully. Open and play. You can also check this reel in the mobile file manager. Click on file manager. So this reel is downloaded reel. Play the reel. So in this way you can download Instagram Reel in the mobile phone. Thanks for watching.